Hey there, filming up the back of my Troopy. Just wanted to give a quick review video on this guy here. It's my DC charger from Orion, which I ordered off my generator. Came really quick and it was the cheapest price I could find online. I'll show you where I've got it hooked up. So it's just under here, which you can see. Hooked up to a lithium battery and charges my fridge really well. So this little combo I find keeps my battery topped up, and like I said, really easy to order it off the website and really quick delivery. Cool.